I don't change my name to body. I no more, I don't mind more nobody. They say my market no go sell for body. And then me say I no go blue for body. Them my brother, make them try their luck. My God, do we? No, my God, do we? No, my God, do we?
Ladies and gentlemen, tighten your seatbelt as we take you on this smooth ride. Let's go! It's the morning drive on 103.5 Ebona DFM, keeping your morning engaging as we take you through the smoothest ride on radio from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Getting your morning inspired, be informed, let's interact only on the morning drive. Make it a date with Martin Efanshuku, aka Meta,
and Crazy, aka Emenari, aka Classy.
From Monday to Friday, from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. on the morning. 103.5 Ebona DFM. Hey, what's up, baby? How you doing, y'all? This is Y2K, and definitely everything I say is true. You're welcome to Pupa Originality. You know, we got it going on. This is the Greece I'm looking representing for the brevity. And this is how we're on, baby. Spread these feelings all around. Get it, baby. Come on. And it's getting so loud. Low, baby. Let it flow. Like this sweet man of love suffocating. All this feelings so wrong. Get it, baby. I am your brother, I am your daddy, lover and your friend. Feel it, baby. Come on. I am your everything. I'm your everything. All of you believe. Tell me, baby. Tell me I'm the only one you can buy. Shake your body, shake your body, baby. Tell me I'm the only one you can see. You see, you see. You don't want to start to say, shake your body. Shake your body, baby. I'm the only one. Tell me, baby. Tell me I'm the only one you see. Tell me I'm the only one you see. You see, you see. You want to start to say, I'm the only one. Now one for the money, two for the show. Three to get on, here we go. I swear, love is driving me crazy. I swear, you're the only one, baby. I swear, I can give my life, baby. I swear, I can buy your car, baby. I swear, I can buy your house, baby. I swear, listen to the vibe, baby. Come on, show to your brother you care. Even your sisters too. Can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it? Spread the feeling from your neighbor, baby. Come on, dear brother, I am your brother. I am your brother. I am your everything. You only give a try. Check it out. Tell it, baby. Tell me I'm the only one you know. Yes, it's time to shake your body. It's time to be happy. No matter yes or you wake it up for. I 250 now. They be on one side now. One only because it's time for birthday splash. That one at the 103.5 FM. Everybody want to touch me, can't love me, can't afford to love me. Oh my baby, definitely wake up in the morning, meditation, try to make your dance move on the real picnic. Really, this wasn't me to greet you to see with my lady. Ladies around me, once they use me, pull up the party, or rock the party. Everybody dancing, music blasting. You, tan tan taraya tagu. Is a gypsy with the ladies, 50, 60s, 90s, Yes, it's a throwback Thursday edition of Birthday Splash. That one at the 103.5 FM. And now I'm Elijah, you know, Oris Whiskey and Idris Abud Karim. When I batted this morning, you have to go the only one. Thank you for making this place your choice. And it's about to go down. Makanako Oti Poju Notutua. A lot of people to celebrate as well. Just so Belen Jana chocolate. You have to go on your chapel. This year we are taking the chocolate, which is here and which is here. You don't say, Mamma, you don't see I'm black now. Mamma, why all I say what is wrong with you? Why would you say such thing? Don't tell your father what you said. I'm black, papi again. Why would you be speaking like that? Ojoku was a grandfather. Grandfather will say, what lessons have you learned from what you just did? Also, the lesson I just learned is that I'm just a blue black just for 5 minutes. Like white people, racism, just because they are chocolate. A lot of things to talk about this morning. It's about to go down. Nebona at the 103.5 FM. You have to go for the guitar for money. Oh, more kind of metal.
No, we're classic.
Yes, give me we go. Or this go see at the guitar for.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Yes, science. When I go on, you have to go now. Everything in the universe so far discovered goes so far, not just 5% of the universe. We're talking about the Earth, you know, all the stars, all the galaxy itself, everything. Now everything but 5% of the entire container. And half of it in Kefono. Money man on 1 million to a very good day. On 1 year beyond all of this. 1 year even beyond the time I know. You have to go on 1 year Kalisia himself. And we are talking about the King of Kings. For making it possible for us to see this beautiful day, the last day of February 2024. Papa Nekwajide, Oblo Belefe, you have to go ahead. Oh, you man, all the reason. You have to go, you have to go, all the reason. And a witch over here, see a witch. Akoko Oti Boju, we're about to go down. You remember that this party right here is your party. Get involved. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. Was slow motion 08096661035. Yes, you can join Umpire on Facebook at Ebona at the 103.5 FM. Drop your comment on the comment section of the live video right there. You have to go and it's celebration galore up in here. Yes, we are celebration. You have to go because today I want to send DK, I get celebrating and right about Fundua. I need to tell you that some of the things in our Bakasi alone in the country today we cannot bat it. I will break it down, but let's start with the first person who will celebrate this morning. Below the man that is always on time. You have to go in and better always on time. Gave you my all. The guy is as well as Chibi Jachi on a very good day. Now you find the brother no one goes when you know in of my other Sikonyo Busi on a very good day. And we're talking about Ja Rule, you know, American rapper and singer and actor, born February 29, 1976. So we celebrate him this morning. Happy birthday! I can say one no on our voice Ja Rule rock a voice on your Busi. A lot of things to talk about this morning. I didn't celebrate to go to Jaru no to try. Today be his birthday. In a jiffy, I no come with me na so agente. Yeah, your eyes, your styles, you have to go ahead. It's a Iguana Bago on a very good day. Also the birthday of Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez. You know, today is his birthday, so he was born February 29, 1972 in Madrid. So we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday. It's unfolding Ketafo. Get involved. SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. Today is also the birthday of Pope Paul III, born February 29th, 1468 in Canaan. So we celebrate him this morning. Happy birthday. All the Gokosia, they get involved. Let's celebrate you as well. It's unfolding still. Also, today is the birthday of Morarji Desai, former Indian finance minister, freedom fighter, former prime minister, born February 29th, 1896 in Mumbai. So we say happy birthday to him this morning. Happy birthday. Yes, it's unfolding right about Ketafo. And today is also the birthday of Tony Robbins, American author, professional speaker, born February 29, 1960 in North Hollywood. We say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday. Yes, Obokwa believe is unfolding right about now. Yes, kind of, but as in a jacket for you to go can was the style when I call some of the things I know for today so much of the problem. But high got build on issue why like the ways I see no bastal agriculture and all of that. Yeah, can he bastal all of these things to the extent now, Oga debate so big. And no matter what, I name anywhere, you know, we can still market it to the world, you know, on a very good day. And you should know that there are on the limited opportunities, like all the so unlimited, a lot of things, although limited in any way, a lot of opportunities are there online. And so we should pay attention to all of these things on a very good day to see how we survive from the hardship we, you know, experience today in the country. And then just line you go if I on Facebook, if you are going to hip hop and Igbo culture authored by yours faithfully, you have to go order Amazon on a very good day. That is an illustration that you can market yourself to the world. Come to Abona at the 103.5 FM or Portables, but you have to go. Yes, today will be the reign of Bagam Kaibata Jaketafo, and the man who said, I don't get a lot. God, we know today is his birthday. Corridor Bello. Today is his birthday. He was born February 29, 1996 in Lagos. So we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday. You have to go, if we're happy birthday, Bagam in your account right about Ketafo. Oku to Akusa food right about now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Yes, Sky Canon and Ajane celebrate Pandemino celebrated today. Today is also the birthday of Theophilus Adeleke Akinyele. You know, born February 29, 1932. He is a Nigerian business consultant. So we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday. Yes, on a powerful. Get involved, you know. Let's celebrate with you. Celebrate anyone who is celebrating around you. We are here to celebrate with you. Kedi Fane celebrate anniversary, birthday. Kedi Fobo, we are here to celebrate with you. But right about Fundua, you have to go to give you what you need, the satisfaction. We go to the corner. They go to better guaranteed. You have to go. It's time. Let's get ready to rumble. Akụkọ Ipoju, Yotago Nkebui Good Nakwansa. And right about now, Kokaiji Bata, Yotago Okusa Balabalo, and we need to get into all of that. But remember that we are here to celebrate your birthday. Get involved. You all need to celebrate. We are here to celebrate with you. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 61035. A lot is happening. A lot in the Megodo and Nijanki as well. Yes, I think I only find out on a very good day, but on a kind of losing keep as well. Nigerians and Jose Obli Difaka for 1 man. Yes, it we are talking about organic this time. We are talking about the other organic. Mana Chineke bu Chineke bili n'igwe Yotago sitting on his throne Yotago and will protect his own people. So manaka well jinwa thought to bezele the akọ ka isi nya well motefe sport all the imperialism before or iberiberism on a very good day because the Igbo na-ekwu okwu na say chubakwa ewu oji no efike before chieje maka chije Yotago mpiti ekwe Igbo na-ekwu okwu si wepụ aka mmadụ onye aka iba iwepụ ife akịta afọ classic of Ifuga Kenwa. It is happening right about now, and I could conquist the IG where I believe and make rounds on social media, and the mother when I do Kazi Difa on a very good day. I'm here as a man of God. Yotago, Malone, and the mother smackdown back in the days. Amazon on the Pazinki as well. When I'm here, somebody I want to touch him, make deliverance, or like a demon, no sin, no, no, Yotago, when they display on a very good day. Obulu Mango Mama Demon, yeah, smackdown, wow. Some people are in the Boski. I was here in the Boski. Nisio or Ebolo with the Akanya flavor on social media. You have to go fuck where Yabaka, the thing, and so much now social media. And the man now just as a crazy idea can have Keki is in a Canazaka. The situation on the modern Abu Belek and you have to go half an abu, Budus or cross Akapanabu to a web heat here. Or the Kanya Tipa Jamo trailer. And I took Katie before Katie cannot be for one no one Katie when I go to the middle street.
Well, I'm gonna come all day can be found, but I can like a hand, I can take a hussy, I can. But you didn't know what I like, they can do they can every hand, I can. But I've been one now or go for the food at the modern will to us, especially when you have friends. Oh, well, to while they see where they can go to it because with. And being friends, who will know if full friends, go to deck and I can with them. But I am also but I feel like I have friends because of the have go friends. Now, how much go Kahasi? No, or they can be no, but because now we can and all the coin in the court or all of that. You know, mana. Oh, Pandos on a deck and a quick and I have been and I have been and I see Dick and the Puanka. Macon when the Gabajam wake it, I say, a China me, you know, you're one the moose on a very good day. A China me. I was there over Putaka Segi at China and I say, I for Ossi floor animally, you know. I say on that day, when I was transformed from Ifan Aqua to Ifan Agija, a lot of things to talk about this morning, but I say, why you feel that you have a closer on food right about now? Yes, akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji webata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụ na EEDC bụ Enugu Electricity Distribution Company apụtago ka ha na-agwa ọha na eze kịta afọ na ọnwa onye mekata wee sị gị weta ego ka e wee dozie ya prepaid meter na gị chụgbapụ ya n'ụkwụ onye ori o wee na-akọwa na ọ dị all free of charge asị na ka ha sukwu ya befe ha sị a prepaid meter upgrade is free of charge to customers within the company's franchise network in Southeast, you know. Mr. Emeka Ezebo, the head of corporate communication of EEDC. Now I'll be here with Taliana Wandi, journalists who were not working. Now it was
regrettable that some yet to be identified individuals were going about extorting unsuspecting customers of their monies to have their meters upgraded. So, n'efukwa ife again, gitibekwa mkpu jegwa EEDC n'oge ka achụwa ndị a nwalụ ka o si adị. Ọkwa ifu gị fa ha ikwuru abata iwepụ aka enwe n'ofe. Ọnya ka anyị na-ekwu ife a ka nye aka ka e wee wepụ aka enwe n'ofe. Nwanne nwaanyị ka isi wepụ nke aka iwe na-agakwa n'iru still.
Ọ dị mma otu ha si wee na-tinye wee wepụta data information ka ndị mmadụ malụ because na ụfọdụ nwegoro ike capitalize on it ka ha were the idea wee extort wazia. Yes, so now ihe dịzi na bụ onye ọbụla ka uche ya wee dị ya kịta igwegoro idea na nekwa na we need ịkwụ ụgwọ ọbụla for anything ka e wee dozie elu gị nke gị ma ọ bụ ọzọ ndị bịa si na upgrade anything for you ka ịgbarụkwa na ọ bụrụ eziokwu.
Okay. Anyway, the thing bụ na ha wepụtakwa nọmba yọtagosi na ọnwa onye pụrụ idi ife asị kpọọ n'oge ka ha tibe anya na ya 081 460 26678 again 081 460 26678. So ịkpọzie n'ụtụtụ a itile anya ọnụ n'okwu ka isi wee ghọta nke a onwezie ihe ọzọ ịfụgasị ha na-emegasịkwa n'idi ka akọwatalụ EEDC ka uchepadi ya yọtago itinye ọnụ na ya bụ okwu. Yes, this morning I am with a good message. Osinaka Agonabo no fan Aguluzi Boze. I'm celebrating the celebrants, wishing them happy birthday. I'm welcome in their account and my account too. Yotago and everyone and their fans. Amen. Metal Akoko Otipoju. My brother. Obolo Beleve. Also in the Buski. Daski. Yotago also the liquid metal and ecanelism. Wahala. Yotago greetings to all everyone at the fans who don't edge the game. Dalo is unfolding this morning. Get involved. Yotago Kaina game where angole. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035 with name and the person you want to celebrate. Yes, akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji webata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụ na enwe development yọtago nke ikpeazụ a ndị mmadụ afụgo na ihe egozi pure water 15 naira yọtago some people afọsọ gị afọsọ some people chọọ ka nwere obi ebele ya just inye ha dị 15 naira afọsọ gị na-egbu ka ihe achịrị once ka ijebele onwe gị yọtago ka nke na-akpagharị ka akọ chenji because na onwezi onye nwe plans ịlasị gị 20 naira yọtago otu aka osigbo dị on a very good day mana nke ikpeazụ a ndị na-alụ ya bụ pure water pụta wee kọwabalụ ndị mmadụ yọtago when we talk about pure water here we are talking about sachet water yọtago if I call it on a very good day pure water so ha wee na-akọwalụ ọhaneze na ọkwa ịfụ ihe a anyị na-elesi unu 15 naira kịta na ọma ntekwa n'aka na ọ ga-abụzi 100 naira na efefa na-ekwu neka ha si bekwu ya bụ efe ha sị pure water is sold for 15 naira now and it is even going up to 100 naira per one at our own end. There's nothing we can do. The cost of production is high. Or we say as at last year December we are buying materials nylon for 1,100 naira per kg. The 6 kg of nylon is now 3,600 naira, 700 naira per one. And it says the cost of treatment is also high. The increment for these materials comes at 3 times in 1 week. It is also difficult for us to increase the price of water. First, now many banks don't give pure water producers loans. We want Nigerians to bear with us. We don't want Nigerians to buy water at more than 20 naira per sachet. The cost of production, including the price of diesel, has affected so many things. Ka ha na-ekwu ya bụ ife yọtago ejikwa nwa ya zikịta ofu ife nagolana aya amalọ na ya emesịa na chiata. Now I'm talking about back in the days mgbe a na-aṅụ mmena mkpa ịṅụ mmena mkpa nwanne m nwaanyị obodo ịṅụ mmena mkpa ihe aghọtinye mmiri that some things I feel na ọma nnachiatazi azụ na anachiatakwa azụ because like this kịta ka ice water na anachiata azụ I feel somehow na mmena mkpa ya esi anachiata on a very good day yọtago because keka ice water ya esi nachiata azụ mmena mkpa man see na chiata ke be found a very good day ọ bụ ihe na-eme na Naija kịta yọtago otu aka isi pịa nwanne m nwaanyị ka ihe egwu na nke a ka anyị wee na-agakwa n'isi
yeah, authority but okay, yeah, get back one. Because now all of also the pure water gagaze one full sachet here 100 naira. I buy the food on a good now. Oh, sorry. But I was a little cost of production because I would say, how come on I go like that.
Yes.
Mana think I have to work on the one also hand yes, general zero hanaka. No, because of 40 years we were up agalon. By the time I get to go that I had we met the whole thing away to say, or program the Haggett name, how we make away that cover the cost. So, yeah, I'm joking at the big is work on for they will go the opportunity to wear up there the other water and a level before.
Ice water.
Yes,
yeah. One naira back in the days. I must open executive if I get here. Ban a lesson car 100 naira, about 100 naira. Then we can cast out with is 20. I don't know. But I'm born music. I have to go say anyway, if this morning, if why you feel on I have it's on food in Ketafo. Yes, akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji webata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụ akụkọ gbasara ndị Yahoo Plus nke ikpeazụ ọkwa ife Yahoo anụnwa anyị lụtere back in the days a na-ekwu okwu Yahoo ndị mmadụ a na-asị ọkwa ego a ndị ọcha na ala anyị je nnatafa ya mana nke ikpeazụ a parents na-etizigbo mgbu bịa nwa nataba naba si bịa pụọ on a very good day. So parents these days na-ajụzi ese kedu ebe isi wee bute moto because na egwu na-abazifa arụ maka nke ikpeazụ ọkwa parents ka eji agbazuzi nke ikpeazụ some parents afụgo n'ọfa nwa ka eji agbazu wee na-azọzi isi onwe fa ka o si adị on a very good day maka ọgbakwa ana na plus yọtago onwekwa onye ahụ eji wee gbazu o wee bụ na o nwere enwefe yọtago ebe ọ chọkụ ejiri papịa wee gbazuo ọ mesigokwa ihe ọ na-achọ ime a 27-year-old man Chinalụ Ogbunna apprehended ya n'Ụmụahịa na Abia steeti ebe o jee engage na Yahoo Plus o bidogo the entire thing ihe izu o megodogo na-asị ya na oge egbu papịa o wee strangle papịa 57-year-old man Mmadụka Ogbunna na the befa dị n'Ụmụeze Road Ụmụahịa na Ụmụahịa ebe akọ nọ wee na-ewepụtazi anya mkpụrụ anya papịa ka o welu jeme Yahoo Plus ka o wee nweta ego but the thing bụ na the police na Abia steeti nwekwa ka ha si wee mere investigation yọtago wee chọpụta na ya bụ nwoke bụ ihe a ka ọ na-eme wee jidezie in the act yọtago ka ọ na-ewepụta anya papịa ka o ji wee jeme now confirming the ugly development to journalists, the spokesperson of the Abia State Police Command, the ASP Maureen Chinaka, said a murder case involving Mmadụka Ogbunna, a 57-year-old male, allegedly killed by his son, was reported to the Central Police Station on Monday at about 08 hours. And then Mbaka Hajiwe Mugwo, also detectives from the CP Umuahia visited the crime scene and found the deceased lifeless body with his left eye gushed out. The suspect, Chinalụ Ogbunna, a 27-year-old male, residing with his father at Umueze Road, opposite to Junior Girls Secondary School, Amokuze, Ibeku, has been apprehended. Investigations revealed that he strangled his father to death and intended to use his left eye for money ritual. The corpse has been deposited at the morgue for autopsy and exhibits have been recovered. Another thing. Yahoo another thing now. But we remember back in the days, some people when I say, no, okay, Jonathan not a fair well, but